Hello, I'm Mariah, and today I'm going to show you how to remove scratches from your leather boots at home. For this project, you're only going to need two things: a soft cloth and some baby oil. Apply your baby oil to the soft cloth. Take your shoe and start applying the oil in a circular motion. Once you're done applying the baby oil, let the conditioner penetrate the shoe for up to 24 hours. Then you can take a soft part of the cloth that's clean and buff the rest off. I'm Mariah. Thanks for watching.